In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make charts on Monday.com. If you're looking to present your data in an engaging and visually appealing way, this guide will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring you can easily create charts to meet your specific needs. First, let's start by opening your board. Go ahead and log into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board that holds the data you wish to visualize. Whether it's a sales tracker, marketing campaigns, project progress, or a budget report, any of these boards will work just fine. Next, let's add the chart view. Once you're on your desired board, look at the top bar and click on plus add view. From the drop-down list, select chart. This feature will open a new chart view, allowing you to visualize your board's data right there within Monday.com. If you'd like, right from the start, you can rename your chart something more unique, such as Sales Overview Chart or Progress Analytics, to better reflect its content or purpose. Now, it's time to choose the chart type that best suits your data needs. Monday.com offers several chart options. For comparing categories, a bar chart is perfect, like comparing sales by representative or tasks by status. If you're displaying proportions or percentages, the pie chart is your go-to. Want to track performance over time? A line chart will do the trick. For comparing segments within groups, consider a stacked bar chart, while a column chart is great for visualizing totals and differences. If your data requires multivariable comparisons, the bubble chart might just be what you need. After selecting your chart type, we need to configure the chart. Begin by choosing your x-axis. This will be the column you want to categorize by, such as owner, status, or month. For the y-axis, select the value you're measuring, perhaps numbers, budget, or hours. If necessary, you can group by another column like department or project. Plus, you can choose between count items or sum column values according to what you're measuring. At this stage, feel free to customize the design to make your chart truly your own. Choose your preferred chart style, whether it's bar, line, or pie, and then click the settings icon to make more detailed adjustments. Here, you can change the colors, sort data in ascending or descending order, and even apply filters for specific groups, people, or statuses. If your chart uses dates, remember to adjust the date range accordingly. Applying filters is a handy tip to ensure you display only the data relevant to you or your team. Finally, once you've got your chart looking just right, it's time to save and share it. Click Save View, and to make it easily accessible, pin it to the board. To share your